Did you know that the food you eat can affect how old you look? According to a recent study, 80% of people are eating the wrong foods, which is causing them to age faster. So if you want to look and feel your best, it's important to pay attention to what you're putting into your body. Certain foods can cause inflammation and harm your skin, leading to premature aging. And other foods are loaded with harmful chemicals called AGEs, which stands for Advanced Glycation End Products. AGEs are formed when you eat a meal containing protein and fat, and then it S, followed by a sugary food or drink. This combination creates a reaction in the body that causes AGEs to form and accumulate in your skin. Over time, they cause the skin to sag and wrinkle, making you look older. So what are some of the most common aging foods that you may be eating without even realizing it? Let's find out. Number 1. Sugary foods and beverages. We all love a sweet treat from time to time, but it turns out that eating too much sugar can cause inflammation in the body. This can lead to premature aging by breaking down the collagen and elastin in your skin. Not only that, but sugar also causes your body to produce more of a hormone called insulin, which has been linked to aging as well. So if you want to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant, it's important to limit your intake of added sugars. And this includes not only sugary foods like candy and desserts, but also sugary drinks like soda and juice. Number 2. Fried and processed meats. Now, we all know that eating too much fried and processed meat isn't good for our health. But did you know that it can also make us look older? These meats are often high and saturated in trans fats, which can cause inflammation in the body and damage the collagen in our skin. They're also usually loaded with salt and preservatives, which can dehydrate the skin and make it appear wrinkled and aged. So if you want to keep your skin looking young and healthy, it's best to avoid fried and processed meats as much as possible. Number 3. Fast food and takeout. Let's face it, we all get tempted by the convenience of fast food and takeout. But it turns out that these meals can do more harm than good when it comes to our appearance. Fast food is often high in sodium, unhealthy fats and artificial ingredients, which can all contribute to inflammation and premature aging. Plus, the large portion sizes can lead to overeating, which can cause weight gain and make us look puffy. So if you want to maintain a youthful glow, it's best to cook your own meals at home using fresh, healthy ingredients. That way you can control the quality and quantity of ingredients and avoid the excess sodium and unhealthy fats that are often found in fast food. There you have it, folks. If you want to look and feel your best, it's important to be mindful of the foods you're eating. By avoiding these aging foods, you can help reduce inflammation, improve your skin health, and maintain a more youthful appearance. So, do you think you'll start eating differently after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below.